Hello and welcome to LedgerGurus Sales Tax Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to show how to use a Shopify orders export to calculate the total revenue per each state as well as account for each order in each state. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to pull an orders export and we're going to create a pivot table. The best way to do that is to go Insert, Pivot Table. We're going to put it on a new worksheet and now we get to fill it in. The best way to do this is to just drag and drop. So first we're going to do it by state. So we're going to find the shipping province or state and put it into our rows. Next we're going to find the count. So we're going to put the name and values and it'll give us a count of how many transactions were in each state. Excuse me. So in Georgia they had 88 transactions. In California they had 691. If we would like to take that a step further and know the total for each state, we can drag these amounts into values as well. So I've gone ahead and selected subtotal, taxes, and total. So now I can see that in California they collected 7,482 and some change in taxes, and that their overall total for sales was 91,000. This is an easy way to see how states are trending, what your total taxes were collected, as well as if you've reached nexus in different states. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tips and tricks for sales tax.